Hey everybody, today's tech tip is for working in your web browser. I think we've all been there, browsing the web, and you accidentally close a tab in your browser that you didn't mean to. How do you get it back? Well, you can use your browser's history function, or you can use a keyboard shortcut. Control-Shift-T will bring that tab back. And while we're talking about browser tabs, Control-T will open a new tab in your browser. And while you're working along in one of those tabs, you can use Control-F to search for any keywords on a page you might be trying to find. Now, let's have a little haiku to help you remember. Control-T for new, Control-Shift-T to undo, Control-F to find. That's this week's tip. Thanks for watching.